Are you looking to change the time to receive daily SMS texts to your phone on Facebook using your PC? You've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner and click on it to open your profile. Step 3. Now, click on the About section to access your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Contact and Basic Info tab, look for the pen icon next to your phone number. Click on it to edit your phone number settings. Step 5. In the settings, find the option that says Edit next to time of day and click on it. Step 6. Select Only From and choose your desired times for receiving SMS texts. Step 7. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply the new time settings. That's it. You've successfully changed the time to receive daily SMS texts to your phone on Facebook using your PC. Now you can manage your notifications conveniently. Thanks for watching this tutorial.